Ronnie in the building. What's good? What's G-R-E-A-T? Great. Today will be my mini install, my first synthetic wig with me. Let's go with the Latisha wig. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going based off of the videos I've seen, based off of TikTok. Hopefully I could do something. Hopefully I could do this right. Guys, don't be like me. I don't know how my Kiss blow dryer broke, but it did, so I had to make a quick run to Walmart. I started doing my hair at 8 a.m. It is currently 11 a.m. Now I have less hours than I thought. I got my gel rolls ready and everything. I want to make sure this lays on my hairline. I'll probably be using the concentrator because that'll help me concentrate. let's see if this works, y'all. The new blow dryer is smoking. Anyway, lace glue, please don't judge my face. So this is what we will be using. Shout out to Alex. She gave me this when we went on our trip in Abaco, in Bimini. Don't judge me. I don't have the perfect eyebrow. I haven't shaped them up. On there, just like so. Actually, let me protect it with some grease. You're gonna just get as close to the hairline as possible though. Wow. Oh. Spread it out. We're gonna go upwards, but not so much because my hairline is literally breathing right there. Just gonna make sure it's enough because we're still gonna use even lace. See, I don't even know if y'all noticed, but there's like hair still in the area where I put it. But those are like sun hairs though, nothing too serious. I'm gonna go ahead and brush that back because I don't know what it's thinking of doing. I don't know what's going on. And then I'm gonna use another tool to brush that under because I can't use that glue. That's what we're avoiding at all costs. Anyways, so going back here, adding the glue where it belongs. I'm gonna let that dry clear. Okay, clear, not like this, not spotty, clear, the whole thing. I am going to prep the wig. It's so pretty. I don't really know if I should be using this. Do you use this on the lace, like, or no? Like, do you or do you not? I don't know if I should or should not. This is what you should use. Okay, so this was the best that I could do at the moment. Okay, so the glue is not as dry, but we gotta keep going because your girl is on a clock. Now we're gonna let that dry and we're gonna color the top of this head of mine. This don't have any parts, but I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this. So like you're gonna grab a section, you're gonna pluck away. I'm just gonna pluck away. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I don't know if that's much of a difference really, but this is how it looks after I'm done plucking it. Hopefully I did something. If I didn't, then I'm kind of being impatient right now. I don't got it. I can't wait anymore. So with that being said, we're gonna put this on because I can't wait anymore. I don't even know if these are actual hacks, But all I know is it makes sense in my head. And I put the big clips just to protect the hair already. We're gonna tighten up the band. We're gonna start from the back. Don't start from the back. Start from the front. We're almost there. I'm so scared. Okay. And weave. I'm trying not to fold my forehead. And we've made it. We've made it to the final destination, guys. We've made it. We're gonna comb the hair in there, or the lace in there. I don't like, hold on y'all, wait, pause. The wig cap under, we could see it. That's a problem for me. I am about to figure out a way to darken this lace in the front. That line, I don't like it. Once this is down on my head, on that glue, then I'll try to fix everything else. This is something that I use. It goes on dark. I'm gonna hold this down, honestly, until I am certain that this glue is dry. I'm literally gonna sit here and hold this down. Down and damn, it goes down. It's gonna dry, you know, it's gonna dry. I'm gonna help the process by putting the blow dry on this because just the air piece, right? This thing right here. I'm so scared to cut this. I'm literally so scared to cut this. Ooh! I almost cut my hands off. We'll just like try our hardest not to like ruin the lace. Is that what I'm supposed to do? I'm asking y'all, like, y'all here with me. If I didn't do it right just now, it ain't gonna never happen. Now that we got that on, what I'm gonna do right now is figure out these. I'm gonna just have to like darken this up a bit. Let's see if that works. That's too much. Yeah, I should have never did that. Let's see if alcohol will help us out here, because I clearly went out of the way and did too much, got too comfortable trusting myself when I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. Maybe it'll work, but right now I think it's just best if I don't do that. So we're just gonna remove that. See if it'll come off. Okay, it comes off just fine. A little bit. We'll fix that up later with makeup. We're gonna go ahead and use the Eben because I feel like that's the only thing that will keep us safe. The glue, it's actually drying up, so that's good. Anyways, we're gonna go hammer. We're gonna go crazy with this. Oh! That went in my ears. This area killing me. I just don't want to keep messing up. I have this, but like I'm scared. What is that gonna do? Let's see if that'll bring us back. I'm gonna just stop right there. Anyways, I'm gonna just band now. Excuse my band, it's really dirty, but that's not the point. The point is this better work. This is very beautiful already. This is soft, it's nice, it's yeah. It already has a side part, but it's on the wrong side. I like my side part to be on this side. We're gonna have a blast with this one. That's how I'm gonna laugh all the time. Any joke. What to do, y'all? Should I keep it this side? Never mind, we're gonna find and make another part. You gotta pluck the parts. It has to happen, whether you like it or not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little bit of wax, and then I'm gonna get the hot comb started. And I have a hot comb, it comes with 3 settings, right? But for this one, we're just gonna use the first setting. We're just gonna press it once because I don't know how much heat this could handle, And I don't even know what the first button is. Ooh! It could handle up to 350 degrees. Okay. Okay, so I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. So with these waxes, right, you want to be careful which ones you buy, because some of them are really like liquid wax. Like it's like you put it on and it's greasy. Shout out to Heavenly Bundles. I've had this wax for years, guys, but that's just because I don't do frontals like that as much. I don't know why I did that black spray. Someone, y'all could have stopped me. Y'all could have been like, Ronnie, no. It's gonna give me what I want, I think. I would, but I wouldn't at the same time. Like, should I keep it this long? No. I love what's going on over here, so I'm not even gonna play with what's going on here. This is so cute. Pluck the part because I need to look as natural as possible. I'm gonna do this so fast because I don't want to mess this up. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Quick, be careful for the ears. So first things first, I'm just gonna go straight for the bang. I should just go ahead and use some scissors because we're just gonna cut down. It's so cute. It's so pretty, guys. That to the back. Let's see. Make some layers. That's as much as I'm gonna cut it for now. Face, I'm gonna do my lashes and then I will be right back. Ooh. I really messed up this black spot, but I'm so upset at myself for even like spraying that thing. Use real foundation. So it's kind of making me mad. I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow that I have. Would fix the concealer being on top of the hair color. It's black and sparkly, but at this point we're just trying to find ways to fix this hair right now. Okay, I think that's actually working. That exact same brush. But I'm liking the results so far. I think we fixed it. See that hair? This Latisha ain't playing. I feel like a grown adult. All I need now is my nails and I'm done. Period. Alright, see y'all later. I will make sure to keep you guys entertained. All the games, stupid games that you would play.